One of the hardest things to scrub is underneath the rocks, and I was shocked that this machine was capable of scrubbing right underneath the rocks. And this is one of the most difficult parts to clean up the pool, right underneath the waterfall. So very simple to turn on and go. All right, today we're gonna bring a vacuum scrubber for your pool, and this is not for above ground pools, it's for inner pools. All right, now it does come with a hook. They give you instructions, the power for it, and make sure you fully charge it before you're using it. Not only that, make sure the charging place is dry. Now fully charged is going to run you about 150 minutes. All right, after it starts losing its power, it's going to go straight to a wall, and just use the hook to grab it out. Now another very important thing when you're using this, make sure you clean the filters also prior to using it. When turning it on, automatic default mode, changing it to the different kinds of mode, the wall, the bottom floor mode, the wall and the bottom floor. And this one's eco mode. It does every 45 minutes, and it lasts you for 48 hours, right? Now go back to default, and to turn it off, all you gotta do is turn it off, hold the power button. Now, when it needs charge, it's gonna change colors too. And when it's charging, it changes color. It automatically identifies that it's in water, and it will automatically turn on. It does have a Caterpillar wall climbing ability, so it's going to be able to do the side scrubbing on your actual pool. So we're going to put it together. We're going to run it. We're going to see how well it works. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to power it up. All right, 1, 2, 3. Hold down the power button. You're going to see a blue light turn on. Once the blue light turns on, let it fall in the water. Let it get some water. Look right there. That's a very difficult place to actually. Oh, it's going all over the wall. Oh, okay. Spider-Man.
There it goes. There it goes.
It's still grabbing on.
Yeah, barely.
Look at that. That's crazy. That's a tough corner right there.
Yeah,
that's a very tough corner to clean. All right, it does come with the hook, so when you're ready to get it out, just put the hook on your pole and you're ready to go. So let's get it out. Once you take it out of the water, it automatically turns off if you don't turn off the button automatically. Once you're ready, pull the basket out. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.